course.
Welcome to the Black Lion Podcast. We are your hosts, Lex and Dom, and today we have a special guest. Guest, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Aleeyah. How y'all doing? I'm glad to be here.
Glad to have you here.
Thank you.
What's the name of your business and what process did you go through in starting your business?
So, I don't have a name for my business. I'm just a financial advisor. So we're just going to say that for now. But the process. So I had to do a lot of studying. I had to get some licenses, and I actually have a lot more licenses to get. But for starters, it took me about maybe 2 months to study to get my license, my PA license for a life insurance agent. And I have about 3 more licenses to get so I can do some more business when it comes to investing. But yeah.
That's good. What are 3 specific goals you have for your business in 2022?
Well, one would be to definitely have a lot more clients under my belt. 2 would be to go to a lot more events to get my name out. And 3 would probably be, I want to travel more and probably do some webinars for other people that's in my field as well to help and just give as much knowledge as I can. So that's my 3 goals.
That's good.
Thank you.
Do your family and your friends support your business ventures?
Well, my friends, they're kind of shaky on it. They're like, it's different reintroducing yourself as a financial advisor to people that you know. I would say my family is more supportive of anything, but my friends, they're going to come along. They're going to come along.
That's understandable.
Mm-hmm.
Where can the audience find you at on social media if they wish to acquire your services?
Well, I do have a LinkedIn account. My name is Aleeyah Hadnot. You can find me on LinkedIn. And I also have an Instagram. It's __ insure me. And I also have a Facebook page. My Facebook page is also my first and last name, Aleeyah Hadnot. You can find me on there as well.
That's good. If you was to give any advice to anyone looking to start their own business, what advice would you give them?
If you want to start, go for it. Don't let anything stop you. You're going to get a lot of no's. Just remember that. It's going to be more no's than yeses. But you just have to have a strong mindset. You have to be a go-getter. This is not easy, and it's not for everyone either. It's easy to get up and go to work, just clock in and just get paid to probably half-ass something. But it's much harder to work for yourself because you're the boss. You're doing everything, and it won't get done if you don't do it. So just have a strong mindset. Get prepared for the no's. And don't let them hold you back.
That's true. How has COVID affected you, your family, and your business?
COVID. So COVID definitely affected a lot, but I would say it was for the better because before COVID, I was just doing regular jobs. And because COVID happened, we had to stay in the house. So I had to come up with something that I can do for myself. And COVID is really one of the main reasons why I'm doing this in the first place, honestly.
That's good. From the clients you have had so far, what feedback have you had from them?
Feedback, I get a lot of thank yous. I'm actually changing a lot of people's lives, like I'm basically bringing hundreds of thousands of dollars into people's families, and they're very grateful for that. So it's just always a good feeling to know that people appreciate me and just very thankful for what I do. They always tell me like you have a great personality. They know I'm gonna make it really big. So I love that.
When starting your business, what what mistakes are the mistakes you made when starting your business? What did you learn from them?
Mistakes. So what I've learned for some of my mistakes was to always just keep a good hand moving forward, not to let things, get me down because sometimes, you can't help everyone. And I had to realize, you're definitely it's gonna have you're gonna have your days where it's just like, okay, do I still want to do this? And I'm like, I would look at the bigger picture. It's always looking at the bigger picture. And before I would let small things get me upset. And I can't really get upset over things that I can't control. So knowing that moving forward is definitely helped me a lot. And, sometimes I get cancellations and I get upset, but it's like, you know, there's so many more people out here that I can help. So definitely, I guess my mistake would be to let emotions get to me. So you got to be stronger than your emotions. You can't let your emotions take over because that's when everything goes tumbling down.
It's true. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
5 years. Wow. uh, 5 years. I see myself in a nice house. Sorry, a nice house. Honestly, I don't see myself living in the country in 5 years, but I do see myself with a nice family. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a lot of people calling my phone trying to get help in this industry. They always say the first year is the hardest, and then as you go forward, it's just gonna be a breeze. It's just gonna be a lot of people calling you. So I just see myself, happy, stress free, great environment, and helping a lot of people, as many people as I can. And I also see myself being licensed in every state of the United States. So I can help everyone all over.
That's good. If you could change one thing about your business, what would it be?
Hmm. Honestly, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. I feel like this is one of the most noble industries in the world, and I wouldn't change a thing.
So basically, you're saying there's no room for growth for the business.
It's definitely room for growth. You grow every day, but I just wouldn't change any dynamics. If anything, I would want to just strengthen, some weaknesses that I do have as far as sometimes getting my message across from people to people can be off, or maybe the deliverance could be a little strong sometimes. But as far as the business itself, the business is fine. I just need to, fix a little kinks. But other than that, everything is great.
Do you get nervous sometimes when you talking to clients?
No, I love talking to people. As long as I know what I'm talking about, I'm fine. I love talking to people, and the fact that I know that I'm helping them makes it even more exciting to have the conversation in the first place for me. It's
That's
like I'm
good.
giving back. So yeah,
Giving out knowledge. I understand.
absolutely. And knowledge is power. Mhm.
Again, can you tell the audience where they could find you at if they wanted to contact you?
Yes, you can actually put my direct number under the video, 267-993-7867. My LinkedIn account, and also my Facebook account. I also have my Instagram as well. But yeah. So Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. I'm not on Twitter yet, but that's coming pretty soon.
Well, it was a pleasure interviewing you.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad to be here.